Okay, let's check out lesson 8.4, skip count by tens. You're going to need a green crayon today, your scissors, a glue stick, and of course a pencil. We need to pull out pages 197 and 198 to begin. Okay, so for number one, it says count by tens and color those numbered rectangles green. So that's where you need your green crayon. So let's begin. If I'm counting by tens, I need to start at 10. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm just going to box this up so I don't cover the number today. All right, so my beginning number is 10. Now I'm going to skip count all the way by tens, okay? So that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's going to land me at 20 if I skip count. If I'm at 20 and I skip count again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then I land at 30. When I count by tens, all the numbers end in a 0. My first number that I have when I count with 10, of course, is the number that I'm counting by. So that is a 10. If I skip 10 from 10, I next end up on 20. From there, I will go to 30, and then so forth and so on. So it would be 10, 30, 40. I'm sorry, let's correct that. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Easiest way to count, and it's pretty easy to memorize. Okay, so down here it says cut out and glue to match the fingers. Well, obviously I can't cut out on the computer, so I'm going to have to kind of just show you what we're going to be doing, and you'll go ahead and cut and paste at home. So here I have how many fingers held up? I have 2. So for this one, I am counting by 2. So I have to look down here and see which one starts with 2. It's the yellow. So the yellow I'm going to cut out and I'm going to paste here. I'm counting by 2s. Here I have 5 fingers held up, so I'm going to be counting by 5s. I'm going to start with 5 when I count by 5s. So the green needs to be cut out and placed in the middle section. Finally, I have all fingers held up. That's counting by 10. And I will take out red with my scissors and paste it right here above, or rather below the 10 fingers. Okay? Easy peasy. Let's flip over to the back. And here it says count by tens and connect the dots. So I'm going to start at 10 and I'm going to count by 10 until I've connected all the dots. So I have 10, 20, 30, coming down to 40, 50, 60, across to 70, 80, 90, and all the way up to 100. So I've counted by tens and connected the dots. Easy peasy. Practice counting by tens today when you have a chance. Good work.